Thanks for watching Square Type. I'm going to show you how to shape flaps. I'm going to first show you how to make the flaps and then shape them. You can shape them in almost any kind of shape. So like this carrot here where I've got fronds on another set of flaps. The materials are really easy, really basic. The paper you want to use is something soft like printer paper or maybe a lightweight construction paper. Mostly because you're going to do an accordion fold like this and you're going to end up having to cut through all the layers. So I just snipped off the edge because it was sticking out here, and then I'm going to make it so that I have a lot of accordion folds. So I'm just going to cut this in half and then join it back together again so I have a lot of folds. The way I do it is I just cut the top section off of each set, and so that I have about a ½ inch left over on that set, and then I just put glue on the ledge of each one in the front, one in the back, and then match them up right where the crease is so that the height of each edge will be the same in the V-fold, like that. And then while you have the ends pointing upward, you can count your V-folds. So this has 4 V-folds, and I suggest you have at least 5 V-folds, but not more than 8 because it's going to be a lot of layers. So this one I've got 7 V-folds, and that's plenty. So with the ends pointing downward now, I'm going to glue it up. So here are 2 ways of gluing it. The first way is just to glue it one section at a time, like this. You put glue on one section and then you accordion fold it with the next section, and then so on and so forth. But the better way, I think, is just to glue the whole back like this, and then just accordion fold the whole thing shut all at once. Now that it's all glued, I just want to make the ends even because they're not so even right now. So I'm just going to cut off the edges, the rough edges here. The next thing is to determine which side has the flaps. So it's going to, when you drop it on its edge, you can see that it opens up like a book. And the binding of the book is where you're going to draw your shape. So with the pages pointing upward and the binding at the bottom, I drew my circle. And notice how hard it is to cut through. That's just 7 V-folds. When you get to 8 V-folds, it's going to be pretty tough, but you can still get through it. But don't do more than 8 V-folds. And then next is just gluing it to the card. You attach it to the card by just putting glue on one side like this, and then you're going to line up that binding of the book to the fold of the card, and just kind of let it, when the card folds, just let it fall where it naturally wants to go, and when you open it up after the glue dries, you have your flaps. So again, you can shape these flaps into almost any shape. Have fun kind of, you know, experimenting with it. Really easy to make, really quick, and it's one of the fun pop-up shapes that you can do. So check out my channel, Square Type. I hope you have fun with this. Thanks, bye!